Hey everybody, I'm Marianne and welcome back to Wellness This Way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an apple cider vinegar lemon detox drink. So without further ado, let me show you how to do that. The tools I recommend for this recipe are a lemon squeezer, a jar with a lid, and a straw. To make this recipe, you'll pour the water in the jar, add the apple cider vinegar, and then squeeze the lemon into the jar. You could then add some honey or sweetener to your liking to make the apple cider vinegar mixture more palatable. So this might not be the most tastiest drink you'll ever have, but you're going to want to drink it because studies show it lowers blood sugar and it aids in weight loss. Plus it boosts skin health, improves heart health, and provides vitamin C. So drink up. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you want to be notified for future uploads, hit that bell icon.